Good morning, everybody. This is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So we have hit an 8-hour level, and that is right here at 45.31, and you can see that is the previous swing high here, and there's another tail here, a little bit of a pin bar which we have touched. Next major level, I lie, there is one halfway down. So there are two levels further down. So the one is at 44.94, so that would probably be rounded off to 4,500, and then 44.65. So those are the levels to the downside. We do not really have much in the earnings, in the way of earnings, should I rather say, today. But that does kick off next week. I think FANG stocks start on Tuesday, so you can expect Facebook, you can expect Google, you can expect Microsoft, you can expect Amazon. So that will more than likely be the next major move. So if we just drill down, this week has been pretty much big up and then a big down. There is two problems here. So this is the first one. So we formed a triangle, and there's 4 touches to that. So I'd prefer 5, but anyway, 4 touches with diversions and the oscillator separating, and then we broke to the downside of this triangle. Now, typically there is only a 25% probability of this continuing in the break of the structure. So you'll see this a little bit better on the hour, and you can see there's a couple more touches. So 3 to the upside, 1, 2, 3, let's just call 4 to the downside. So that's a fairly decent bit of structure. So that is a flag in my eyes, and this break is a break in the wrong direction. We have closed the gaps, which is fairly cool. I don't like leaving gaps open. We did break a trend line though. That's not so cool. And if I just get a diagonal here, you'll see what I mean. So we had a fairly strong trend line here, which we did break to the downside. So it doesn't necessarily mean much. If I just look at this on the hour, you can see this has been going parabolic anyway. So you would expect some kind of a pullback. So there's one trend line there. Then we had a trend line like that, which tested for a move down. But then if we just move that trend line to there, or even like that, and then take this trend line, you can see we are going parabolic. So pullback is to be expected. We are in a fairly strong uptrend, but you're looking for structure now. So this is the first bit of structure, and I would just put this pin bar in as well. So for today, I'd want to see a retest of 45.31 or alternatively 45.21. If we get some price action here, there's definitely an opportunity for me to look for a long. I'm anticipating that we are going to have a break or even just get back into this area and form a channel. It's kind of what it's doing at the moment. So if it breaks the channel to the upside, then you've pretty much got a fairly strong move on the way. So it is the last day of the week, and the week has been kind of all over the place. So if you just drop to the 15-minute and have a look at it, yesterday was pretty much sideways until we rejected this area for a move down. But I am definitely watching these two areas. Look at the oscillator at the moment. I think you're probably going to have another swing low. 45, 31, 32, and 45, 21 or 22. That's the zone to watch today. If you do get some positive price action in that area, it is every opportunity for a move to the upside. Just bear in mind there are still gaps to the downside. So it is possible that we can drop a little bit further, but just looking at the setup here on the 3-hour, I doubt that. I think we've got some fairly decent diversions, decent flag forming, and you probably be in your best interest to just keep your Fibonacci in check as well. And you can see this level here is the 61.8. So definitely expecting something to happen here. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and don't forget to drop us a thumbs up, and we'll catch up with you next week. Cheers for now.